Trust me, this one comes from a good place in my heart. I'm telling you, it comes from a good place from my heart. Parents that have got baby daughters, you've got ladies in your home, teach them that it's okay for a lady to offer to pay a bill. Teach them so that, wow, it sticks into their head. Otherwise, they're out here sleeping with wrong people to say thank you. Someone takes her on a date, she always thinks obviously I have to end up with this man in the bed. That's what they think all the time. I mean, for who? It's very sad out there. And some of them, they're even sleeping with their friends' fathers and fathers' grandfathers. It's even very sad. Friends' fathers and fathers' grandfathers. You see, it's even confusing. That's how much confusion is in this society. Because you people are all not telling them the truth. Stop making your baby girls have an opportunity of having things just easily and for free. No. That's why when things are tough for them, they end up opening a bwangu, pra, bwangu, pra. I'm telling you. And your friends are sleeping with your daughters. Because you as a father figure, you did not show your daughters to say, no. Even a lady is supposed to work hard to earn this. Eh? Ha. Well. And your friends will do your daughters, I'm telling you. Your friends, these sugar daddy friends, they will do your daughters. I'm telling you. Please, ladies, and if you're not complaining as a lady, please, this message is not for you. We know you are used to be done. So if you're not complaining, back to the issue. Most ladies have got this thing of thinking, no, I know how to pay him back. And they want to go and open their legs to pay back a man. It has become a culture, it has become a norm for a lady to think that is okay. Just a little gift, you're opening your legs. The little gift, opening your legs. A little gift, you are already doing this. A little gift, you are lifting your legs. A little gift, you're already facing the ceiling. A little gift, you are now moving, you're going to be done. Ladies, your thing will get tired. I'm telling you. I mean, for who? How many men are you going to pay while opening your legs? How many? Because all of us, we want. And trust me, you will get tired. For who? This is the truth that people don't want to tell you. Ladies, believe me, a gesture of a lady. Gesture. That is English. A gesture of a woman asking to pay bills is one of the biggest traits that a man looks for in a woman. I'm telling you. I mean, for who? And then you want to sit, just open your legs there. How long? Ladies, it's heart melting. Heart melting. That is English. It's a heart melting when a lady says, baby, please, the only thing you need to do today, go and dress up. I'm taking you out. And all bills on me. Baby, are you sure? Yes, baby, don't worry. Just dress up for me. We go out. I'll pay for everything. All bills on me. Ladies. It's heart melting. It's even confusing, I'm telling you, because those are things that are rarely done by women species. Yeah, I'm telling you. You should ask these men out there. They will tell you to say, yeah, we want to do you. But there's a point where we don't need you to use your thing between your legs. Where we need you now to come in and help us and think. That thing is tiresome sometimes. It's even irritating you. You know, the only thing you want is you. When are you going to think? When are you going to pay some bills also? Bye.